Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to play Desert Storm in Last War Survival. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to play Desert Storm in Last War. Desert Storm is a weekly Alliance event where alliances complete on a desert battlefield to capture and hold buildings for points. The main goal is simple: occupy structures, defend them, and earn as many points as possible to help your alliance win. There are two types of points here: alliance or battlefield points, which determine your alliance's overall victory, and individual points, which decide your personal rewards. To participate, you'll need to be part of an alliance since only R4 or R5 members can register for the event and select a time slot. Once the event starts, you can enter the battlefield through the event page. The match is divided into stages, starting with basic structures like refineries and hospitals, then moving to a stronger one such as nuclear silos and oil wells. Send your troops to capture and defend these buildings, collect supply crates, and eliminate enemies to earn more points. When the battle ends, the alliance with the most battlefield points takes the victory, and players receive rewards based on their personal contributions. So coordinate with your alliance, stay active, and dominate the Desert Storm battlefield in Last War Survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.